books are only the beginning at the Sioux City Public Library.
Full-service library cards are free to Sioux City residents and provide access to a vast collection of books and ebooks, audiobooks and e-audiobooks, music, movies, and magazines.
To get a library card, stop into any of the 3 Sioux City Library locations and fill out an application. Bring the filled out application and a photo ID to a library checkout desk. Congrats! You have a library card. The library has something for everyone, and our professional staff are always happy to help with any questions you may have. How will you use the library?